All right, Point Nation, today we're going to use silver spray paint along with our Southwest Native American colors to see if we can't make a beautiful painting. This time I've chosen a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. Let's see what amazing mayhem we can create. So for this, I'm going to do two I think we want to add a tiny bit of black just to separate the colors a tiny bit. We're going to go red. Then orange. And this paint is medium thickness, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint with a little bit of the Walmart Essentials pouring medium just for a little bit of shine and stickiness, and tiny bit of water in some of the colors. And I don't really want to put black next to the yellow because I'll get a little bit of green, but it's better than putting the blue next to the yellow. I'll definitely get green. So we're just going to separate these with a little bit of black, not a ton. We'll do a bunch of this blue. And again, we're going to do a tiny bit of black to separate. And this 24 by 24 canvas, I need about 24, 25, 26 ounces of paint, give or take. So I think I'll have a little bit more than I need here, but we'll give her a go. I did already paint the outside, as you can see. And I do have my window open, so if you hear noises from outside, like my neighbors side by side, I apologize. Let me get my mask on. So one thing I did want to try, I don't know if it's going to work or not, was as I'm painting, pour or spray down the color also. I'm going to try that here. And I think I like how that turned out. Do the same type of thing here. Sorry for that super loud noise there. As always, I get my edges just to make sure. Here you can see all the silver in there. Really love how that's turning out. Glad I got some in the middle there so it hopefully doesn't get pulled out. But so now I think I'll add a little of this to the outside here. Oh, let's give it a go, see how it goes. I think my favorite part is going to be these two sides, so I think I want to pull them off first. I don't know if I want to use the black there. So what I'm going to do here is just see if I can't get this all kind of wet down. So the paint moves well off. Same thing around here. All right, so move all that out of the way. I'm just going to roll it a little bit, see if I can't even out some of that. So fascinating. It's just not moving very much at all. I think I'm gonna have to use some of my black here. See how now that I put the black down, the paint isn't rolling over on itself? It's just kind of moving with the black. That's one of the benefits of having that either a base coat or a flood coat or whatever you want to call it. Lets the paint stretch out way more. Let the black roll over on itself and not your colors. And this just took too long. This paint kind of dried and hardened. But I know I won't have too much paint on the canvas. See if we can't move our pattern down here a little bit more. All right, so let's go on for a bit of a close-up here. Some of this stuff is quite amazing. I really like how the silver looks there. You can see how shiny it is. One odd thing is because it dried, it made the paint move differently as I was tilting. And so I got some patterns that normally I wouldn't get with tilting stuff like this. This all came from this dried paint. And I did spray a little bit more spray paint just kind of over the top to give it a little glimmer here. Still see some of the silver around here. As always, it's not what I was expecting. See, there's a little bit of spray paint on top there. But I'm not unhappy with the result. We're going to have to see how well this one dries and see how well that silver glows in the ring light there. Overall, I'm happy with this painting. Now the painting's completely dry. Kind of flattened out a little bit, but we got a lot of nice shine with the silver paint. I really love this section. I think this is my favorite part. And I sprayed a little spray paint there. You can kind of see it with the light. Just to kind of help bring this brownish color that got created, just give it a little bit of flavor. A little bit of oomph. So one of the things that's interesting is, see this paint, this is spray paint underneath. And it kind of got rolled up over. So I just get texture there and I don't get any of the silver. See, there's no silver there. But this also has texture, but it's on top. A little bit over there. Overall, I really like this painting. And if you want to see the other paintings that I've done with spray paint, I will link them here.